You're watching AZAM Weekends with Ty Brennan and Anita Roman.
The Valley Group is training students for STEM jobs. We're going to hear from the Engineers of the Future after the break. Engineers of the Future is training school-age kids for STEM jobs of the future. We're talking to Tony about it this morning. Hey, Tony.
Hey, how's it going? Good morning.
Fantastic. So first of all, for those who don't know, and we have been talking about STEM for many years, but what exactly is that?
So STEM is all about science, technology, engineering, and math. And it's really just trying to get kids to get involved with those areas of school. And we're trying to develop them, hopefully, to become engineers like myself.
My dad was an engineer before he retired. Fantastic career. Do we still need to get kids interested in this, or have they already been showing interest in it?
Some of the kids have been showing interest in it, and I think it's just to get them to that next step to see what they can do with STEM, right? So you can see it in school all day, but just even like myself, when I was in college, even though I knew a career path I wanted, you want to see people that are actually doing that job. You want to see videos about construction and engineering and what you actually do.
And so that's what you guys do with all these programs?
Correct. We have 11 lessons that we show the students. Engineers like myself talk about different topics to show things like physics, motion, and we also even show some of our construction sites and what we do on a day-to-day basis. And we also have some college students, actually from Grand Canyon University, that did a lesson for the students.
Yeah, excellent point there, because there are so many different types of engineers, for example, and different jobs within the STEM industry.
That is correct. And even in a world like mine with building light rail projects, we have civil engineers, we have electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, and there's many engineers that, and the thing that the kids see is many engineers have to work together to come up with one solution and one project to make something work. So
tell us how the program works then.
So the program, because of COVID, and we're all experiencing, and just like we're doing this interview online, we had to adjust from going in person to making engineersofthefuture.com website where the kids can actually access the program and the lessons that we pre-recorded, these 11 lessons for students to go ahead and build projects at home with household items such as rubber bands, toothpicks, marshmallows. And one of the projects that is really cool is there's a marshmallow launcher that the kids can make with homemade products at home. So there's a lot of exciting programs and lessons that we have for the students to make at home.
So how do they sign up? What's the cost?
There's no cost, no fees. You just go to the engineersofthefuture.com website, and everything's right in front of you, and you just need access to a computer and internet.
Very important career. Yeah, you can never have too many engineers, right? I mean, so much is changing in the world.
Absolutely, and with technology the way it's going and booming, we definitely need a lot of critical thinkers, and the future is bright, but we definitely need engineers to help solve the problems of the future. And we think these kids are definitely a starting point, and some of the kids I've seen, they're going to be excellent engineers or nurses or doctors or whatever we need in the future.
Well, Tony, we thank you guys for putting that up for free. I know a lot of parents are going to be logging on and looking for all that information. So we'll be sure to put up a website link on our website, fox10phoenix.com. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
We'll be right back.